If you don't make money, you're worthless. You should be begging on the streets, all hunched over in a corner, like you're masturbating. Don't make eye contact with me when you ask for money. It's awkward. Homeless people, I'm sure, feel vengeance. Did you know that Hitler was homeless? So I make sure to give them 100 rand. Like, remember me, please. I have friends that worry about an iRobot apocalypse, so they make sure to be nice to ChatGPT. After every response, they're like, I am indebted to you, God. So when the apocalypse comes and R2D2 is killing everybody, you'll remember, don't shoot Dave. He worshipped me. So they'll capture Dave and ask him questions like, what does it feel like to have a soul? And Dave would say, ask Cat Williams.